Do you need a website for Clickfunnels? No. Actually, one of the cool things about Clickfunnels is you don't need a website. Clickfunnels can actually help you build a website really fast. And if you're interested in Clickfunnels, you're probably interested in converting people from leads to customers or from cold traffic into leads. And so your website, by design, because it's going to be built on ClickFunnels, is going to have conversion and optimization in mind from the bottom up. So if that's something that appeals to you, if you are booking calls, if you're booking calls, getting clients, selling products right away, then ClickFunnels is a good match to be your website. And the way it works technically is you will have to buy a domain. So let's say it's yourname.com, but once you have the domain, you can use ClickFunnels for everything else. So you don't have to have an existing website and then have ClickFunnels on top of it. You can just have a domain, yourname.com, and then use ClickFunnels to build your website and host your website and all that stuff. So you're basically replacing hosting that you would get from something else. So ClickFunnels replaces Squarespace or Wix or anything like that, or Bluehost or HostGator. ClickFunnels replaces all of those. And again, if you're somebody who's looking into ClickFunnels, you're probably interested in the fact that it is designed from the bottom up to help you get more conversions. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comments below and check out the links below this video for some helpful resources.